Hello my dear students, welcome to the GK class. Today we will learn about famous waterfalls. First, let me tell you what is waterfall. During your vacation, you are visiting some hill place, right? There you can see so many waterfalls. For example, in Coorg, that is situated near Bangalore, in Mussoorie, etc. So, have you ever seen the speciality of the waterfall? Yes, the water is falling from the high point to the low point, and that water is from a river or a stream. So, my dear students, what is the definition of waterfall? Waterfall means water, especially from a river or stream, dropping from a higher to a lower point, sometimes from a great height. Let me repeat once again. Waterfall means water, especially from a river or stream, dropping from a higher to a lower point, sometimes from a great height. Next, identify the waterfall with the help of clues and the images given in the question. There are some images and the clues given in the question. You have to recognize that and you have to write the name of the waterfall. First question. This waterfall is located on the border between Canada and the USA. It has two parts, the Horseshoe Fall and the American Fall. Let me repeat once again. This waterfall is located on the border between Canada and the USA. It has two parts, the Horseshoe Fall and the American Falls. Answer is Niagara Falls. Second, this waterfall is located in Venezuela. It is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall. Let me repeat once again. This waterfall is located in Venezuela. It is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall. Answer is Angel Falls. Third one. The name of this waterfall literally translates to the Sea of Milk. It is on the border between Goa and Karnataka in India on the Mandovi River. Answer is Dudhsagar Fall. Fourth one. This waterfall is located in Africa on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. Full stop. It is considered to be the largest waterfall in the world. Answer is Victoria Falls. Fifth one. This waterfall is located in Switzerland. It is the largest waterfall in Europe. Yes, the answer is Rhine Falls. Hope you understood what do you mean by the waterfall and you understood the answers also. So all of you bye and take care.